How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening. So the first method is just simply click on Windows plus R key on your keyboard. So click on the Windows key and your R key at the same time to open up the run command right here. And you simply type in percentage app data percentage just like so, then click on OK. Once you're there, just simply click on .minecraft folder, open it up, then just scroll down till you see the launcher underscore profiles.json. So delete that file. Now that's good. And the next time you open up Minecraft, it will be regenerated. The second method is to repair the Minecraft launcher. And to do that, just open up your settings. So settings right here. Then just go to apps here on the left side. Click on installed apps and search here on the top for Minecraft. As you can see, Minecraft launcher is right here. So just simply click on it or click on the red dots here on the side. Click on advanced options. Then it will bring you right here. Then just simply scroll down until you see the repair option right there. So just simply click on repair and just wait for it. Now once it's done, just go back and just search for gaming services just like this. Click on that, click on the three dots, click on advanced options, and just simply click on repair also here. Now once it's done, just exit out of it. Now the last method that you can do is just by simply reinstalling Minecraft. So just delete your Minecraft launcher. So only the launcher. Delete your Minecraft launcher, then just reinstall the Minecraft launcher, be it your Xbox app or just the Microsoft Store. And that's how you basically fix Minecraft launcher not opening.